Lead your left hand to your right side. Push your back leg straight, press your right heel down. Okay, now front leg straight and turn your chest out open towards ceiling. Back to center, arms straight. Lead your chest forward again. Hips back. Your right hand outside of your left foot, on the block or on the mat. Lift your chest up, extend your left arm. You push your left hip backward. Down, release both of your hands down, underneath your shoulders. Bend your back leg. From back leg in here. Okay, now take your hands, arms around your legs. Hawakan nyo yung calf muscles nyo. Aim the legs, your fingers. Okay, now from here, straighten both legs. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, now release both of your hands down. Bend your front knee, lift your right leg up, high or low, but keep it straight. Now bend your standing leg, hands together. Keep your right leg straight. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, and your way up to standing. Left foot back. Bend your front knee, slight bend on your front knee. Push your hips to your left. Okay, now straighten your front leg, open your hips here, turn your chest out, look up towards the ceiling, keep pushing your hips. Okay, now facing front, both legs straight. Reach your arm forward, hips back. Pushing your right hip here. Left hand outside of your right foot. Now extend your right arm out. Okay, now look down. Release your right hand down. Bend your back leg. Back leg bend. Now straighten both legs. You may release your hands down, bend your front knee, lift your left leg up. When left leg is straight, either high or low. Bend your standing leg. Hands together. Prayer position. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Step back to downward dog. Bend your left leg. Right leg straight. Move your hips to your right. Right leg bend. Left leg straight. Move your hips to your left side. Hips back to center. Take your chest forward to your plank. Okay, drop your right knee down underneath your right hip. Left foot, turn it in. Right foot, right leg. Bali cross nyo yung right leg nyo. Now extend your left arm up. One, straight leg. Okay, bottom leg. Extend it back. Side plank. Behind your left leg. Lift your hips here. Look up towards your left fingertips. Okay, now look down. Release your left hand down. Both knees down too. Okay, extend your right leg back. Left leg now, cross. Back. Drop your right heel down. Now open your hip, open your chest. Okay, left leg, extend it back behind your right leg. Lift your hips. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees down. Sit back onto you, come to your chest pose. Gently come up. Left elbow outside of your right knee. Try to keep your hips low. Hands to prayer position. Lift your chest up. Okay, gently come up. Right arm. Lift your chest away. Okay, now come up. Take your forearms down. Drop your forearms here. Lift your feet off. Point it now back. Release. Okay, tripod tayo ha. Top of your head down. Set your hands down nyo. Top of your head down. Tripod. Pwedeng fingertips. Ay yung tip of your toes nyo. Okay, very good. And then back. Come to down and dog. Stretch your hips to your arms. Okay, now take your right foot outside of your right hand. Drop your back knee down. Rotate. Okay, bend your back leg. Rub it with your right hand. Okay, release your back leg down. Right arm up. Take your forearm down. And up. And down. Again up. And both of your forearms down. With your hands, take your right leg back, downward dog. Left foot outside of your left hand. Drop your right knee. Push. Okay, bend your back leg. Open your chest now and hold. Okay, gently release. Take your left arm up and drop your forearm down. Again up and drop. One more time. Drop both of your forearms down. Slowly come up with your hands. Take your left leg back. Mermaid tayo, drop your head down. Left hip. Left leg in, right leg back. Take your right arm to the side, lift your chest up, left arm up. Bend to your right side. Cup hand up, facing up. Hold into your wrist. Pag masakit yung right inner knee nyo, huwag nyo pilitin ha. Okay, slowly come up. Drop both hands right behind. Pick up your right hip and your rotate. Only your right hip. How far can you walk your hands behind? Okay, leave your left hand behind, right arm up. Leave your hips away. Push to your right hip here. Push your right hip, your right thigh. Okay, back in, return. Right leg. Wiggle your leg side to side. Okay, drop that outside of your left leg. Pull your left heel in. Hug nyo, feeling your stretch on right heel here. Okay, place your right hand behind. Left arm up. Lengthen up again. Outside of your knee or your thigh, twist. And look over your right shoulder. Okay, now back, release. Mermaid on the other side. Right arm up, left arm down. Okay, top arm bend and hold onto your wrist. Okay, now back, take a twist. Hands behind. Take your left arm up. Lift your hips away. And back, drop your hips down. Bring your left leg forward. Straighten your side to side. Place that outside of your right knee. Now pull your right foot in. Okay, hold your left knee. Take your left hand behind. Right arm up. Lengthen up again. Take it outside of your okay, now look forward. Both legs forward, shake the legs.